I want to welcome you back. This is day 21, 30 days, 30 opals. As you can see, we've got a very vibrant opal. It's got a lot of pink flash to it. And this is what Spencer opals are known for, the pink opal in them. And this has some greens with it. And when we get down into it, it may show a little more color. We'll see when we remove some of this crystal cap and get down there. It looks to me like there's some broad flash and some pin flash. Anyway, first thing we're going to do is remove all this excess around the outside. I've got a little bit of a matrix inclusion in there. I'll probably leave that. We'll just have to see when I get down to it. Anyway, here we go. Alright, remove some of that cap. See, make sure I've got rid of all the edges that were uncovered. Set our girdle around the outside and we got our girdle line set. Now we can start the profile. Start to roll it. Alright, that's pretty much roughed in where I want it. We'll go to the next wheel and refine it a little bit more. Touch that girdle line just a little bit, make sure it's right where I want it. Get rid of all the scratches around the outside, and then we're going to roll it. We're rolling it girdle line to girdle line. Making sure it's nice and smooth going. Feels like she's rolling pretty easy, not feeling any of the flat spots as much, so we're ready to go to the next wheel. Look at it one more time, make sure there's no black that I want off the edge, and I don't think there is, so this one will smooth out that domed profile with. Get rid of all the scratches from the previous wheel. That's the objective. Every wheel we progress to, we're just removing the scratches from the previous wheel. This one will shape a little bit, so I gotta be careful on this edge. I don't get too aggressive and put a flat spot. It's not that aggressive. So. I think we're ready to move to the next. And then we're going to start to polish this thing. Start to see some colors. Look at opal. Let's go ahead and move over to the serum oxide and 50,000 grits will make this thing shine real nicely. of shadow on that. Get some light here and see if we can show some of them colors off. All right, there we go. Day 21, 30 days, 30 opals. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is one of the more colorful pieces that I've done, and the one that I did yesterday was pretty colorful too, but this is a substantial opal. Anyway, thank you guys, appreciate it. Be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends, and I'll catch you tomorrow for day 22.